We are in New York City, baby. So I've been here for about 3 days and I've picked up an accent already. I told y'all. Look where we are though, look at these buildings. I'm gonna stop that. These guys haggled a good deal for us, so we're on a bus.
I play New York.
You play New York?
They are.
Oh, they are? Oh, hold on, I'm vlogging, 1 second. I'll do it in a minute. One thing I do have a problem with in New York is their walking signs, their traffic signals. So, you know we have the green man for walking, they have a white man, a white coloured signal, which is quite confusing. Green is for go, right? Red is for stop. Big up the city, amazing architecture, everything is so high, your neck is always on a 45-degree angle backwards.
Did he tell you why? Has anybody?
Yo, this boat road's a bit crazy though, but look where we are.
And the United States was not to be the original recipient of this gift.
This boat ride's a bit bumpy in it.
If you've never been to New York City before, you will not understand how monumentally different this city is pre 9/11 to post 9/11. Everything changed. Every institution's run differently. Every museum's run differently. There's even a neighborhood or two that had to reinvent themselves.